She was forgotten, left to the elements, a shadow of her former self. But every classic deserves a second chance. It's time to bring her back to life. From rust to refinement, every detail is reborn through patience and precision. The final pieces of the puzzle, transforming function into pure style. Behold the comeback, a legend reborn.